For years, the James Webb Space Telescope has represented humanity's deepest view into the universe. Its enormous mirror, infrared vision, and ability to observe some of the earliest galaxies ever formed changed the way we understand cosmic history. Webb showed us galaxies from a time when the universe was still young, revealed hidden regions of star formation, and exposed planets and atmospheres in extraordinary detail. It created the feeling that humanity had finally built the ultimate machine for exploring the cosmos. But NASA is preparing another observatory that will change astronomy in a completely different way. It is not designed to replace Webb, and it is not built simply to look farther. Instead, it is designed to look wider, faster, and more systematically than any previous space telescope. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope will approach the universe like a giant cosmic survey machine, mapping billions of objects and searching for the invisible forces that shape everything we see. While Webb studies individual galaxies, stars, and planets in incredible detail, Roman will examine the larger structure of the universe itself. It will investigate the mysteries of dark matter, the force behind the accelerating expansion of space, and the hidden architecture that connects galaxies across billions of light years. The most surprising discoveries of the future may not come from looking at one extraordinary object, but from seeing patterns across the entire universe. At first glance, Roman may not appear as impressive as Webb. Its primary mirror is 2.4 meters wide, much smaller than Webb's 6.5-meter mirror. But comparing these telescopes by mirror size alone misses the entire purpose of Roman. Webb is built for extreme depth, focusing on small areas of the sky and revealing incredible details. Roman is built for scale. Its wide-field instrument will capture enormous regions of space, allowing astronomers to survey the universe hundreds of times faster than many previous observatories. A single Roman image will cover an area of the sky far larger than what Webb can observe in one pointing. This difference is crucial because some of the biggest questions in modern physics cannot be answered by studying only a few galaxies. To understand dark matter and dark energy, scientists need massive amounts of data. They need to observe millions or even billions of galaxies and measure how they are distributed across cosmic time. Roman will create some of the most detailed maps ever made of the universe, transforming astronomy from a study of individual objects into a science of cosmic patterns. It will observe how galaxies cluster, how gravity shapes their movement, and how the universe has evolved over billions of years. The greatest mystery Roman will investigate is the invisible universe. Everything humans have ever seen, touched, or detected directly represents only about 5% of the cosmos. The remaining majority is believed to consist of dark matter and dark energy, two phenomena that dominate the structure and evolution of the universe but remain poorly understood. Dark matter does not emit or reflect light, yet its gravitational influence can be seen everywhere. Galaxies rotate faster than they should if only visible stars and gas existed. Something unseen appears to provide additional gravity, holding these enormous structures together. Dark energy is even more mysterious. Observations show that the expansion of the universe is accelerating, as if some unknown force is pushing space apart. Roman will study these mysteries using one of the most powerful tools in cosmology: gravitational lensing. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, massive objects bend spacetime, causing light from distant galaxies to become distorted as it travels toward Earth. Although dark matter cannot be seen directly, its gravity changes the appearance of background galaxies. By measuring these tiny distortions across hundreds of millions of galaxies, Roman will create detailed maps showing how dark matter is distributed throughout the universe. It will also study supernova explosions and galaxy patterns to investigate whether dark energy behaves exactly as scientists expect or whether it reveals new physics beyond current theories. Roman will not only explore the distant universe. It will also transform our understanding of planets beyond our solar system. One of its major missions will involve gravitational microlensing, a technique that detects planets when their gravity temporarily magnifies the light of a distant background star. Unlike traditional methods that often find planets close to their stars, microlensing can reveal colder worlds orbiting farther away, including planets similar in distance to the outer regions of our own solar system. By monitoring millions of stars toward the center of the Milky Way, Roman could discover thousands of new exoplanets and provide a clearer picture of how common different types of planetary systems are. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of Roman is the possibility of unexpected discoveries. Throughout history, powerful telescopes have repeatedly found things scientists were not specifically searching for. Hubble revealed unexpected galaxies and cosmic structures. Webb uncovered surprising early galaxies and atmospheric details on distant worlds. Roman will likely continue this tradition. A telescope capable of monitoring such a large portion of the sky will inevitably discover unusual objects, strange cosmic events, rare gravitational phenomena, and patterns that challenge existing ideas. The universe often hides its biggest secrets not in the places we are already studying, but in the areas we have never been able to observe properly. The true importance of Roman is not that it will be better than Webb. It is that it will complete a missing part of humanity's vision of the universe. Webb is like a cosmic microscope, revealing extraordinary details from individual targets. Roman is like a cosmic surveyor, creating a giant map that shows where those targets exist and how they fit into the larger story of the cosmos. Together, these observatories will work as a powerful partnership. Roman will identify mysterious galaxies, unusual gravitational effects, and important regions of space, while Webb can then investigate those discoveries in greater detail. One telescope will reveal the patterns, and the other will explore the details behind them. This combination may allow scientists to move from simply observing the universe to truly understanding how it works. When Roman begins its mission, it will not just collect more images. It will create a new way of seeing reality itself. It will measure the invisible forces controlling galaxies, examine the history of cosmic expansion, discover new worlds beyond our solar system, and search for answers to some of physics' greatest unanswered questions. The universe has always been filled with hidden structures and unknown forces. Roman's mission is to bring those hidden parts into view and reveal that the greatest mysteries of existence may have been surrounding us all along.